Some people look at an empty space and see only what isn't there. At California Closets, we look at a space and see promise. An opportunity to merge functionality with beauty, art with order. We design and tailor-make storage solutions that are more than just furniture. They're an experience. Each piece is precision cut to the exact specifications of your space and labeled for tracking. Once edges are banded, components undergo a careful quality inspection. Only flawless pieces proceed to computer-controlled drilling. Dovetail drawers are constructed and delivered with the rest of your closet to your home or office for custom installation. Our installation technicians pride themselves on their professionalism and expertise. Under their care, your custom-designed closet takes shape quickly and carefully. A thorough cleaning ensures your closet is ready to use the moment it's assembled. And like that, your space is transformed through the perfect marriage of high-quality design and cutting-edge technology. Some people look at an empty space and see only what isn't there. What will you see?